In civil engineering and environmental projects, making informed, data-driven decisions is key to reducing costs and ensuring project success. That's why professionals worldwide trust Seequent's Leapfrog Works, the leading 3D geological modeling software designed to help civil engineers and environmental scientists better understand ground conditions. Leapfrog Works turns raw ground data into actionable insights, helping you make better decisions and avoid costly surprises at every stage of the project lifecycle, from planning through to construction. Its intuitive workflows are tailored to the specific needs of your projects, whether it's modeling complex tunnel alignments or understanding groundwater conditions. Outdated, labor-intensive processes are a thing of the past. Leapfrog Works lets you integrate all your data, from boreholes and geophysical data to GIS and CAD data, into one comprehensive 3D model, giving you a clear picture of the subsurface. As new data is added, Leapfrog Works dynamically updates your model, ensuring you're always working with the most accurate information, saving time and reducing errors. Collaborate seamlessly across teams. Share models, data, and insights effortlessly, keeping engineers, environmental consultants, and project managers aligned for smoother workflows and quicker approvals. Discover how Leapfrog Works can transform your next civil engineering or environmental project and help your team better understand the underground.